Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, keyless entry. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.